Hey everyone, I'm out for a run. It's really nice out today. Um, since I made the video, my rosemary mother plant died. It was raining way too much for a few weeks and just way too much humidity, and the plant got infected. Luckily, I've made a few cuttings before all that happens, and I've transferred the new plants to pots. They'll be at the end of the video if you watch to the end. So anyway, I'm gonna continue running and I'll update soon, okay? I'm going to transfer a rosemary cutting into soil. I have this cutting for about a month now, and it started growing roots around the 4th day, and it's been doing well, so I'm going to transfer them today. To do the transfer, I'm going to use about 50% garden soil. I found this garden soil, it's a new mix with soy, coconut fiber and rice husk, so I'm not sure how that's going to do, but I'm going to try it anyway. And 50% homemade coffee compost. I'm using an old pot, just a small little one, and then I have some pebbles for the holes inside the pot to help with drainage and to keep soil from escaping. So the pebbles are in, and the soil I already mixed it 50%, 50%. I'm doing really simply, just mixing it in a plastic bag. And now I'm gonna start recording. Here we go. Now I just need to wet the soil and then put it in a sunny spot with lots of ventilation. This is actually my main plant that I've been taking cuttings from. It's looking very sparse right now because I think I cut too much. But I'm still going to take a few more cuttings to make more plants. I've been giving them away to friends. So I'm a bit low on rosemary, so I'm going to make a few more. Okay? So I took one cutting and then I scrape off the outer bark of the stems, and then I'm going to put this in water, and hopefully this will grow roots in a few days. I'm going to continue to do a few more, and then I'll update in a few weeks. Okay, thank you, bye.